All right, hello, hello. I want to do a quick sound check to make sure. All right, hello, hello. And you can hear me. All right. How y'all doing? I'm Joey Janishek. I'm CTO over here at Darkblock. We are working on a lot of stuff. I'm going to go out of my way not to say a lot on this stream. Let's jump into my little fancy deck. Yeah, like I said, we've got a TV app we're building, support for 4 chains. We've got a new viewer, new upgraders. We've got so much stuff we got cooking. So I was thinking about canceling today, but no. We got to keep the drumbeat going, support our community. I appreciate you all. We're building a lot of software, and we have to continue to tell the story. We were hoping to have a new version of our documentation. Let me see. Up on the site today, it's not all done. Kind of incomplete, and that's on me. So we're working through it. Expect first thing early in the week we'll have a better, a little bit clearer, some definitions, some use cases. We're working through it, so I appreciate y'all, your patience as we work through it. But 80% of success. Nothing like a Woody Allen quote to start a presentation. Kind of troubling. All right, let's talk. 2 things I'd like to communicate and kind of get you to understand when it comes to dark blocks. I had some great meetings this week, and most folks were like, what the heck is dark block? Most NFT creators understand the concept of an unlockable. On OpenSea, when you create a NFT, you'll see a little unlockable as a toggle you can turn on, and then it shows a text field, and you can type in a URL or you can type in some text string. The problem with that type of unlockable is it's rooted in kind of Web 2 land. That link might go to a S3 bucket or a Google Drive, and that value isn't directly associated with the NFT. And we're trying to fix that, and we are fixing that. So upgraders and viewers, the concept of upgrading is any NFT that you're the creator of, you can essentially marry additional content to that NFT. So the parameters of an NFT now are, upload a image or a movie, upload a preview, kind of a thumbnail, and that's about it. Well, what if I was a musical artist and I had a 13-track album I wanted to create an NFT for? You're kind of out of luck. You can do the cover, you can do a zip file with all the MP3s, but you can't have 13 separate unlockables. With us, you can. So upgrading any NFT, and then viewers. All these different content types we support: movies, 3D models, MP3s, ebook assets. You need to have a viewer to be able to render those on screen. So those are kind of the 2 things that we kind of are our sweet spot: the ability to upgrade an NFT with an unlockable piece of content, and then the ability to view and decrypt that content to your screen. So let's keep on chugging. So this is essentially the upgrade. It's a secondary minting process, for lack of a better word, where essentially you're adding content to that core NFT. With dark blocks, we support 5 different chains right now: Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, Avalanche, and Tezos. And then when you upload that file, it's getting encrypted and it's getting stored on Arweave, where essentially you have 200 years of storage. And we are paying that bill right now. As we're getting adoption, as we're building out our suite of tools, as we're getting marketplaces to convert to our view of unlockables, right now it's free hosting, free file storage for 200 years. the next thing is that viewer. How am I able to unlock and have that file be decrypted and served up to my browser, whether it's on a phone or on my desktop? That's what the viewer does. The viewer understands the content types. It shows the correct viewer, the correct application to serve that up and have that display in your browser. So upgraders and viewers. All right, so let's get into this. I think by naming how to create and consume unlockables from noobs to coding gods, that is the most clickbaity title that I was able to come up with, just short of, whatever proper clickbait titles are. All right, so 3 levels of creating dark blocks. First, a core developer, a senior developer would be using our APIs. They would want to incorporate our technology, our protocol into their website. And we have a whole suite of APIs available. If you go to, let me see, here we go, apidocs.darkblock.io, we have the ability to verify ownership of an NFT, verify ownership of a creator, provide signatures, serve up a given dark block file, have it decrypt, also minting the dark block, upgrading dark blocks, upgrading complete collections. And we have a stoplight tool. Oh, there's my key for everybody to see. Nice. Where you can upload a file right here from this interface. And you can create your dark blocks right here. Now this is kind of raw developer-friendly tools. This isn't for your kind of NFT artist. This is for the hardcore guys who want to, and ladies who want to control their environment completely. So let's see. So that's option number 1. We also have NPMs. Currently, we are building an upgrader NPM. So basically, as a developer, you'll be able to NPM install Darkblock ETH widget. And inside of that widget will be an upgrader that will be available within your site with just a minimal amount of coding. And I'll show you an example of the NPM that we're consuming on our own site. So if you go to npmjs.com, which you can see right here. All right. Search for Darkblock. There are a number. Our Polygon widget, our Avalanche widget, Solana libraries. We even have a Solana library for React 16. Our shared components, which is our pure viewer. And I'll get into a little bit more show and tell in just a sec. All right. So let's do something, Joey. You've been talking freaking for 10 minutes. As an NFT creator, anybody who creates an NFT and you have the wallet, you control the contract, you can easily create and upgrade your NFT with Darkblock Unlockables. So you log into our distributed app, select the NFT you want to upgrade, click Add Unlockable Content, boom. So let's do this right here, right now. So I'm going to go to app.darkblock. There we go. So this is app.darkblock.io. I'm going to connect my wallet. I think I'm going to do some phantom stuff. So hold on a sec. Let me get my phantom wallet in here. And DB demo. That sounds good. So I'm connecting my wallet. I'm selecting Solana. And there we go. That's a wallet that's empty, obviously. Let's see, let me just grab this wallet. Just a sec. We've been having some Solana indexing issues past 24 hours. Let me jump on the Ethereum side of the house. Let me switch to a wallet that I can easily change. Oh, am I sweating right now? Yeah, sure. All right. So I've logged into my Ethereum wallet. What I'm going to do is take one of my NFTs and I'm going to add unlockable content to them. So these are NFTs I have created. It's kind of one of our trash wallets. Let's see what I got. I'm going to select Comic Collection 1. And this isn't our sexy demo wallet. This is kind of the trash can. So I can authenticate. So just to show, I'm going to authenticate ownership. I got my MetaMask popping up. And I'm getting an ebook, right? I'm getting a golden ticket. And a random image. What I want to do is I want to upgrade this NFT that I have created with some additional content. So as the creator of this NFT, I have this little magic button here. It's the add unlockable content. And again, any NFT creator can log into our site, connect their wallet, and upgrade their NFT. I'm going to add unlockable content. Shows me all the different file types we support. This particular website, it's 10 megabyte files or under. We have another website for much bigger files. And then with the API, you can go into the gigs, choose file. I'm just going to grab a random file I've got. Austin 3D image. Built by DALL-E 2. And I'm going to allow download. Hit create. Pop-up MetaMask window, which you can't see. Actually, I can make you see. Full screen. Boom. It's verifying ownership, that I am the owner of the NFT and that I can upgrade it. We hit sign. It's uploading the file. It's about a 1.5 meg file. Success. Now, if I were to hit I'm done, it's going to reload this NFT. And you can see Austin 3D image is available as an unlockable, like that quick. Let's say I want to see it. I do need to authenticate that I am the owner of the NFT. I'm not only the creator of the NFT, I'm the owner of the NFT. So anybody that you send this NFT to, they will be able to unlock the unlockable. As the creator, you can create unlockables. As the owner, you can unlock unlockables. And here it comes. It's pulling from Arweave. 200-year storage. It's 1.81 megs, and then there's the photo. Right? So kind of going back to my deck here. Log into our app. Select the NFT you want to upgrade. Click Add Unlockable Content. Boom. I did it right here, right now. And that unlockable is associated with the NFT and available in storage for 200 years. It is stored in Arweave and encrypted. Only the NFT owner can decrypt. All right. So that was creation. So let's talk about consuming Darkblock. So when it comes to creating Darkblocks, you have the API, we have the NPMs, the upgrader NPMs coming soon. And you saw that you just go to our website, just as a regular creator, you go to our website and you can add unlockables. Right here, right now, we pay the bill. Consuming Darkblocks, there's a number of ways. Again, roll your own with our API. Get the owner verify signature, get and decrypt the Darkblock. That can all be done programmatically through our API. API doc, here we go. API docs, plural, .darkblock.io. You can also visit our website under Learn, for creators, for developers. For creators, the focus is ease of use, simplicity. You can use our app to upgrade your NFTs. And then for developers, the assumption is they want a little bit more control, be a little bit more hardcore, so full API access. Send us an email, we'll send you a key. We have a full suite of React-based NPMs available, and then we have the ability to do collection upgrades. So there's a number of different ways. And again, our documentation is going to get better as soon as next week. All right, let's see. Get back to my deck. So API, roll your own NPMs. Again, if you go to npmjs.com and do a search for Darkblock, you will see pick your flavor, pick your platform, Tezos, Polygon, Avalanche, Solana, Ethereum. It's literally npm install or yarn add, and you will get the viewer ready to be integrated into your web application. Check for some questions. Oh, hello, Zamran Institute. I'm going to answer chat for the first time. Hello. I do a horrible job of multitasking when I'm doing these things. All right, let me get back to the deck. npm, boom. And then, as I showed, if you use the app.darkblock.io site to unlock and consume your unlockables. So, kind of going back to our website. Here we go. There we go. App.darkblock.io. I'm going to connect Ethereum. I think I'm going to switch wallets here. Hold on. Let me get you a sexy wallet. Here's our demo model home. Here's one of our newest additions. So again, I'm going to authenticate ownership. I do have a pop-up window that I'm seeing right now, as you can see. I'm going to sign it. Boom, I've authenticated. It's been decrypted. It's been served in my browser. And there's content that only I am able to see. This is an amazing animation from the folks over at Black Math. Absolute gods. Hilarious. Our model home NFTs, we support kind of OnlyFeet type content, big movies, ebooks, PFP projects with metaverse, 3D model components, comic book folks. So this is a beautiful one. Getting the pop-up, I'm signing it, and a beautiful PDF, which I can consume and enjoy. And again, this content, encrypted, stored on chain, 200 years of storage, only the NFT owner is allowed to open and has access to it. No right-click save, no creating an NFT where the content is available for everyone to steal. Deliver your valuable assets to your audience. Make your NFTs have value by not giving away the goods, yet still having them on chain and following the Web3 principles. Okay. Check. Oh yeah, check for the Darkblock icon. So you can see each of these has a little Darkblock icon. That's how you know there's a Darkblock inside, kind of like an Intel inside. They probably don't do that anymore. I haven't had an Intel machine in a while. So you'll know which NFTs in your collection have unlockables through this clue. Other websites who integrate with art, they show different icons, but you'll know it for the Darkblock is inside when you see our logo. Yeah. All right, keep on chugging, Joey. Also, inside mobile wallets. So let's see if I can do this. Oh yeah. So this is my Phantom app. I'm gonna fire it up. Face ID. This is a live view of my phone I've got sitting here on the side. Here's a collection of some of my Solana NFTs. If you click the little browser, type in app.darkblock.io, connect your wallet. I got spam NFTs in here too. Again, look for the logo, unlockable. So there's an unlockable inside one of my NFTs. Crack it open. This one's got a bunch of stuff. I'm going to authenticate ownership, approve. What's up, Brian? Hey, thanks, man. Thank you, sir. Hey, I'm multitasking. So, yeah, we're serving up, again, pulling from Arweave, pulling from 200-year-old cold storage. Oh, no gang signs, please. Serving up PDFs, serving up movies, serving up songs, serving up assets. Let's see if this loads up. It's 1 meg, should be pretty quick. Am I clicking here? There he goes. Right? So that's the other way that you can consume. Let's see how I can do here. There we go. So within your mobile wallet, you can consume Darkblocks. You can consume our unlockables right here, right now. More and more adoption, more marketplaces, more mobile wallets will be supporting us kind of out of the box. But, you know, we're the little engine that could. We're continuing to grow. All right, reminds me where they can encrypt data into image, into code. Exactly. Yeah. You know, I was thinking about the cereal boxes. You know, they used to have an image and there was a code inside and it was like done in red paint or blue ink or something, and you needed one of those red films to cover, and it would, you know, the secret message would magically appear. So this is secret messages that are encrypted, stored for 200 years, available only to the NFT owner, Web3 protocol, decentralized. You know, we've got ambitious plans. We think every marketplace needs to have a true unlockable strategy. How do you do unlockables in a decentralized way? We've got a good V1 of it working and available. It's available on SolSea, our friends at Calumet on the Tezos side. We've got some other fun projects cooking. But Unlockables, we think, is if NFTs are the killer app for crypto, we think Unlockables are the content delivery mechanism using NFTs, using NFT ownership. So, all right. I think I'm going to wrap this one up. Next week, we're going to do something funky. So I appreciate your patience. I don't know if this is the best stream I've ever done in my life, but we showed you how to create. We showed you how to consume. We have multiple ways to do it. You don't need to have a developer. If you're an artist and you have an NFT project and you don't want to give out your 3D model to the internet, use our unlockables. Use our tool. Just connect your wallet, upload your file, and there you go. Next week, we are going to still do the live stream on LinkedIn and Twitter. Ari can't wait. Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn. We will live stream, but we will also have a in the metaverse event. So essentially the camera is going to be in the metaverse and we'll stream that out. But if you snag our NFT, which is just a giveaway, we're going to use this NFT as the ticket token. We're going to use token gating. on Polygon through Spatial. It will give you access to our physical virtual venue. We're going to have a fun time. We'll talk through, how 3D artists and metaverse collections can take advantage of Unlockables to protect their assets, to give more value to their NFT owners. And what we'll do is post-event, we will, as the NFT creators, Darkblock, we will add some pieces of content. We've got some cool artists helping, and I appreciate their patience and I appreciate their skill, but we're going to fill a little goodie bag with Unlockables. There'll be some 3D assets. There'll be some codes to be able to get some real world swag. We're going to do some fun things. And our whole idea is to show you that NFTs can be a physical world ticket, like attending a concert using an NFT, or a virtual metaverse ticket to attend an event. Literally, you can't come into our spatial world if you don't have this NFT in your wallet. And post-event, we can give you a gift bag with goodies, whether they're coupons or videos or digital assets that make that NFT a little bit more, I don't know, necessarily valuable monetarily, but you can memorialize the event that everyone attended. So we'll show you how to do that next week. We're working hard to get our act together. All right. 27 minutes, not too bad. Thanks, I appreciate your patience. We're getting our documentation to a level worthy of all the code that the developers are writing. We've got an amazing team, 8 time zones, 5 continents. These guys and ladies are working very hard for you, and we need our documentation to rise to that level. That's on me, and we're working on it. Next week, we're going to do something funky. We're going to go play in the metaverse. We're going to show you how to access the metaverse with an NFT via token gating, and then we're going to show you how to deliver your customers a goodie bag post-event, something for them to remember you by, whether it's discount codes or whether it's a movie summarizing the event, or whether it's a digital asset that a partner pays to have stuffed into the goodie bag. So, all right, guys, have a good week, and I appreciate your patience. We'll talk to you next Thursday at noon. Stay tuned.